Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to say good evening in Italian correctly, sounding like a native. The correct pronunciation is Buonasera. 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 Bu-o-na-se-ra. Buonasera. All right, for the advanced learners, note that in buona, the O is open in standard Italian diction, buona, and then in sera, the E is closed in standard Italian diction, sera. So it's buona, not buona, with a closed O, and it's sera, not sera, with an open E. With that being said, this is standard, buonasera. But depending on the region, people will close buona, and some people will open sera, buonasera. So at the end of the day, if you want to become a voice actor or you're interested in proper Italian standard diction, then buonasera is how you pronounce it. But if you don't care about that, you can open the vowels if you want. It's just going to make you sound regional rather than standard or accentless. What I notice is that sometimes foreigners, for some reasons, pronounce it buonasera with a T. That is incorrect. I don't even know where it comes from, and it's kind of funny because it actually means good silk, because seta is the word for silk in Italian, whereas sera is the word for evening, buona meaning good. So it is literally good evening, buonasera. Do keep in mind it's quite formal sounding, so you wouldn't really say it to a family member, unless you're joking a little bit. You wouldn't really say it to a child, once again, unless you're joking, and you wouldn't really say it to a friend. Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.